Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. The folks at Epic Games have just recently announced that MetaHuman Web Creator Application Service is now being retired, and this is in the wake of MetaHuman being available in Unreal Engine as a native tool that you can now work with, especially if you're working with Unreal Engine 5.6 and above. And yes, they've actually sent a couple of emails out which we're going to take a look at. Right here you get to see that with MetaHuman Creator now available directly in Unreal Engine 5.6 and above, the MetaHuman Creator web application will be discontinued. Access to the service will end on November the 5th of 2026. The MetaHuman Creator web application will be decommissioned in phases, giving you plenty of time to retrieve your existing MetaHumans. So from April the 5th of 2026, MetaHuman Creator version selection for Unreal Engine version 4.27, 5.0 and 5.1 will be removed. And on 5th of June of 2026, 5.2, 5.3 and also 5.4 will be removed. And finally, November the 5th of 2026, MetaHuman Creator version selection for Unreal Engine version 5.5 will be removed. And from there onwards, you only have about 90 days to retrieve all of your MetaHumans in your gallery, and after the 90-day window, you will no longer be able to download MetaHumans using Pixel Bridge or the MetaHuman importer in UFN, which is Unreal Engine for Fortnite. And like we mentioned earlier, this is because MetaHuman is now fully integrated into Unreal Engine. And yes, we've already talked about this in previous videos where we walked through how you can actually get started with it and various things that you can do with it. And for those who have no idea, MetaHuman is basically a framework for creating hyper-realistic digital humans that deals with faces, bodies, facial rigs, animations for both games, films, and virtual production right inside of Unreal Engine. And prior to the announcement of the web version being deprecated, the first time which we got to publicly see MetaHuman was sometime in February the 10th of 2021. This was mind-blowing, as the potential of artists being able to have access to hyper-realistic characters that they can use inside Unreal Engine totally for free was just something that was out of the ordinary. Fast forward to April 14th of 2021, we did get our first hands on the web version. And last year, sometime in June 2025, was actually the first time we got to see MetaHuman being fully integrated natively inside Unreal Engine. And of course, for those who like to explore MetaHuman, you can simply go ahead and download Unreal Engine and work with MetaHuman. It's also worth mentioning that the MetaHuman ecosystem is expanding as they're creating plugins for both Maya, Houdini, and Marvelous Designer, with various other plugins that has to do with the grooming system, the animation system, and the live link face tool, which you can actually use alongside your iOS app and start doing your animation or plug into these apps and start creating amazing stuff. However, if you like to explore the MetaHuman web version, if you simply go over to the web version, which is at metahuman.unrealengine.com, you would notice that we have a tiny attention post right here, which actually tells you about the deprecation of the web version. And so it says that the MetaHuman Web Creator application is being retired in 2026. Access will be phased out by Unreal Engine versions with final shutdown on November 5th, 2026. And so if you like to retrieve any of your stuff, you can simply go ahead and log on to MetaHuman, the web version. So right here, you'll be able to select the version that you actually work with and launch the MetaHuman Web Creator and possibly download the files that you already have. Now, if you like to create new MetaHuman characters, of course, you can simply go ahead and create new MetaHuman characters, as there's a lot of things that you can do with that. And on the other hand, if you do have Unreal Engine version 5.6 or possibly version 5.7, then you can also go ahead and work with Unreal Engine MetaHuman right inside of the engine. And so if you do have this tool installed, how you get the MetaHuman working is by simply clicking on the tiny arrow down here and then going over to options and turning on the MetaHuman Creator Core Data. This way you will now have access to working and creating MetaHumans directly inside of Unreal Engine. And this is pretty much it. So the folks at Epic Games are retiring MetaHuman Creator for web, and this will be happening in stages. And of course, if you do have MetaHuman files, you can simply go ahead and download them before the web version gets fully deprecated sometime in November of 2026. And for those who are looking for alternatives and options that they can work with, which also offers some very nice stylized stuff, they might want to consider checking out Relution Character Creator, as this also offers a lot of cool stuff for those who are looking at character creation that goes beyond the bounds of realistic character making. And this also comes with lots of cool features and stuff, and I'll definitely put some links in the description that can get you going. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.